You will start by navigating to Reports, and then selecting Gift Card. In this screen we can sort through many different drop-downs. In this case we can search by the card number. We can also search by the activity type, such as adjustments, redeems, or voids. We can search by the employee that's associated with this card and the activity on it. We can also sort by the time period. Once we have filled out the criteria that we are looking for, we can then click Run. We can see the card information displayed, such as card number, transaction dates, activity types, amounts, and balance on the card. As you can see in our example, if we were to remove the card number and then select Run, we can see all cards that have been rang during this time period.